Started.
Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 7, we are learning the topic series and order, and we had learned the exercise based on numbers and figure. Now the next topic is based on symbol. Means symbols are given in specific series. They move from left to right in the next group, and we have to observe the pattern, and we have to identify the next symbol that will replace the question mark. So in 4.3, our very first question is, you can see, look at the question given. So see, plus sign, minus, then cross means multiplication, division, and equal to sign is there. Now if you look carefully in the next series, this third one is bring as a first, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then second and first. Okay, now again in the next, whichever there is at the third position is taken as first, then fourth, then fifth, then first and second. So you can uh, get the idea about the next pattern, in which division will be there at the first position, then equal to sign, then plus sign, then minus sign, and then multiplication. Now see which of the answer shows such a pattern. So option number 3 shows such a pattern, so your answer is option number 3. Okay, now when we move to the next one, again if you look carefully, ball is there in which horizontal line is there, then vertical line, then two slanting line meeting each other at uh, uh, downside, or you can say upside downside, whatever you want to say. Now this ball, in the next series, the ball in which the horizontal line get vertical, vertical line get horizontal, and the two slanting line meet each other at upper pole. Then again vertical line become horizontal, horizontal line become vertical, the two slanting line meet at below pole or downward pole. Okay, so what will be the next pattern? Whatever pattern is there at the second position in the series, the same pattern will be there for the fourth one. So which option is correct? You can see, you can check which option shows second number of pattern. So standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line meet each other at upper pole. So option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, now fourth figure, if we look carefully, square, circle, then two squares are added, one circle remains as it is, then two squares remain as it is, one more circle is added. Now what will be the next one? One square is added and two circle remain as it is. So option number 3 is the correct option here. Now again you look carefully, you can have the idea about the pattern. Now this sign is there, then at the rate ka sign, then again the sign, and then this theta kind of sign is there. Okay, so this and at the rate wala sign goes to the third position, and these two as it is. Okay, they come closer, and one more standing line is added. So here we have to find the pattern, and again the next series pattern is given to you, where again the and sign is outside these two signs. So in the answer, this and sign will remain in between the two, so you can have an idea about the answer, and two standing lines will be there because here three standing lines are there. So option number 2 is the correct option here. When you look the question number 6 carefully, it is very simple. Now see, 2 greater or lesser wala sign is looking at the left side, 2, 3 looking at the left side, 2 looking at the right side, then 2 looking at the left side, 3 looking at the right side, then only 1 looking at the left side, 4 looking at the right side. So here in the next pattern, everyone looks at the right side and they should be 5 in number. So option number 1 is our answer. Again, look at the series carefully and you can have an idea what is done there. Now see, square, circle, triangle, plus sign. Then this square is which is at third, the triangle which is at third position is bring to first position. Okay, so it becomes triangle, square, circle, and then plus sign. Now in the next series, triangle is as it is, and whichever they are at the second and fourth position, they are replaced. So you have to find a next pattern in the given series. So this one is for your homework. Now again, if you see square, circle, triangle, pentagon, square, circle, circle, square, triangle, pentagon. Means what is done? Second position ka circle is brought to first position, or you can say this square is brought to second position. Now here square is brought to third position, and this triangle comes near the circle, and pentagon in bit is at the right side of the square. Now in the next figure, what will be the next pattern? Circle will be there, triangle will be there, pentagon will move to the circle, and square should be after pentagon. So option number 2 is the correct option here. So like this you can solve the problems that are based on series. You look the pattern carefully and you can find which one will replace the question mark. Now some problems are based on the series where one of the term is wrong or the odd, and that wrong term or odd term we have to find out. So see in the first example, if you look, it is the solvent, but if you look 59, 61, 67, 69, 73, 79 and 83 are the given numbers in the series, and we have to find the wrong term. So if you look carefully, all these numbers are prime numbers, and the number which is not prime is 69 here because it is divisible by 3. So option number 4 is the odd term. Now see 4.4, 10, 11, 22, 23, 44, 47, 94 are the given number in the series. Okay, so if you look carefully, one is added to this 10, then it become 11, 11 2s are 22. Now again 1 is added in 22, so it become 23, but 23 2s are 46. When we add 1, it become 47, and 47 2s are 94. So one must be added to this. You have to multiply this 23 with 2, but they had not multiplied it with 2, so 44 is the odd term here. It should be 46. Okay. Now 1, 10, 30, 68, 130, 222, 350. If you look the numbers carefully, you will find they are closer to cube of number. Now see, 2 cube is near to 10, 3 cube is near to 30, 4 cube is near to 68, 5 cube is near to 130, 6 cube is near to 222, and 7 cube is near to 350. And what is the pattern? 2 cube plus 2 is done. 3 cube plus 3 is done. Then it becomes 30. 4 cube plus 4 is done. So it becomes 68. 5 cube, which is 125, plus 5 is done. So it becomes 130. So here you must have to do 1 cube plus 1. Then your number in the series should be 2. But there is 1. So odd term is 1 here, means option number 2. Okay, so you have to think logically that which pattern is followed, whether it is related to squares, whether it is related to cube or anything, then you can find the correct pattern. Now see, again if you look here, again here squares of the numbers are related to this series, means 4 square plus 4, 5 square plus 5, 6 square plus 6, 7 square is 49 plus 7, 58, 8 square is 64 plus 8, and 9 square is 81 plus 9. So which is odd here you have to find. So if you look carefully, you will get the idea which is the wrong term there. So 7 square is 49, and when we add 7 in it, it becomes 56, and here 58 is given to you. So 58 is the odd term there. Okay. Now when it comes to alphabet, give the numbering to that alphabet. C is at 3rd position, E is at 5th position, I is at 9th position, L is at 12th position, O is at 15th position, and R is at 18th position. Now look carefully, there is a gap of 3 letters in between I and L, L and O, O and R, but there is no gap of 3 letter in between this C and E and I. So E is the wrong term here, it should be F. Okay. Now fraction wala one of the sum we will see, and we will take a leave here. You can try at home the rest of the sums, and you will get the idea how to solve it. Now see, 3 by 7, 4 by 10, 6 by 14, 8 by 20, 11 by 28 and 16 by 40 is the given number of fraction in the series. So if you look carefully, from denominator numerator is subtracted and again added, then we get the next term, 4 upon 10. Again 10 minus 4, 10 plus 4 gives us 6 upon 14. So 14 minus 6 gives us the number 8, 14 plus 6, 20. So again the next fraction in the series we got. Now when we subtract this 8 from 20, it should be 12 here, and it should be 28, which is correct here, but the 12 is not there, so the odd term is 11 upon 28. So like this you have to think for the fraction, think for the alphabet by giving them the numbers, and think for the given numbers by thinking about the squares related to it, cubes related to it, or some number is added, some number is subtracted from it in the series. Okay, so the last topic of the series and alphabet is remaining, which is based on the letters and alphabet, which we will be go through in the next lecture. So here we will take the break.